Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva and I'm coming at you with another video. Now tonight I am preparing Sunday's dinner and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Like I always said, my recipes are easy peasy, okay? So I guess I'm going to post this video on Sunday. So happy Sunday, y'all. God bless you all. And I hope you all are getting out and getting to church or staying home. Maybe watching a little church on TV, listening to the Gospels. Some songs and getting in the Christmas spirit and knowing that Jesus is the reason, all right? Well, what I'm preparing is chicken and vegetables today with a little bit of sweetness. So like I said, I'm doing this for Sunday's meal because I don't do housework on Sundays. Just remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy, that type of thing. Jesus rested on the seventh day. I must rest also. So yeah, I prepared my meals Saturday, which is today, and what I did is I cut up some Idaho potatoes. I cut carrot in strips. I cut green pepper in strips. Onion by the rounds. What else I have in here? I have garlic and green pepper. Green pepper, onion, garlic, carrots, and potatoes. And my potatoes are in chunks like this. Just easy peasy, nothing, you know. And then I put some paprika, as you can see, some paprika and some smoked sea salt. My paprika is smoked also. A little bit of turmeric that helps with the arthritis. I got some canola oil, and you're going to just see me go in and make sure all that is coated. Okay. And spread out evenly throughout the pan. You'll see me separate my onions here. Nothing too serious here. But I make sure all my vegetables are coated with the oil and all the seasonings. And I make sure I put enough seasonings in there so you can actually see it on the vegetables. My food has to be seasoned, honey. And the next thing I'm going to do, I have cleaned my chicken and it's over here in the water. I made a marinade. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yes. It contains a little bit of canola oil, a little bit of butter. And then I have smoked paprika, poultry seasoning, a ranch seasoning packet, turmeric of course, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of Duke's mayonnaise. Okay, and that's what I'm going to coat my chicken in and then lay it on top of the vegetables. Like I said, my chicken is pre-cleaned and I had it kind of like marinating in some salt water. So just going to get that chicken in there real good. See? Lay it right on top of the vegetables. And this is like chicken thighs, chicken legs, and wings. Okay. I'm going to keep that skin intact. That's where most of the flavor comes in at. And I have a special pan that I use when I do my meats. Y'all don't be nasty and use your dish pans. Okay. Just go to the dollar store and get you a pan. And write meats on the side so everybody knows. Cooking. It comes in your house and cook. That's specifically for your cleaning of your meats. And I know there was a lot of talk during the holidays, especially Thanksgiving, where they was trying to tell you it's not worth cleaning your meat. Honey, clean your meat. Don't put no dirty meat in your mouth. It's where all that E. coli outbreak and stuff is coming from. Don't nobody want that. Okay. My oven is preset at 425. Like I said, I don't do any housework. On Sundays. So the most I'm willing to do is to warm it up. But everything will be done. Y'all know sometimes black churches run over. Don't nobody have time to sit there and wait for the food to fully cook. Just a warm up is what we need. Of course, my Reynolds wrap. And I will cook this for about an hour with this covering over it. And for about 45 minutes more without it on it. I like that brown char and stuff that it gets on it. So, and I have to, don't bring me no half-cooked chicken. I want my chicken to fall off the bone. So that is what is for Sunday dinner. One pan, easy peasy. You know, you got your vegetables, and if you want to throw some stuffing or some rice or something on top of the stove, easy peasy. Get you one of them Uncle Ben in a bags or whatever. Season it with, instead of putting water, or put half water, half chicken broth. And that gives it terrific flavor. And you can add vegetables, seasonings, herbs, and that also. So yeah, that is what is for dinner for Sunday. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. I like to share my quick and easy recipes so that maybe, you know, you guys will be inspired to, you know, do one of my recipes. And I'm trying to live healthier while I'm forcing my family to live healthier, so their blood work numbers will go down also. I got to be careful with my grandson's diet because he had a heart transplant and stuff, so we want to keep everything heart healthy. Yeah, so if you guys got any comments or questions, hit me down below. Please like and subscribe. I love you guys to life. This is Deja the Diva. Like I said, I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Alright, you guys. This was just a quick video. I just wanted to share. Thank you.